Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the second year's English medium. The chapter that you are dealing with, that is the 6th chapter, setting up a business. So this is the 8th session of the chapter. So now we are going to know how to set, okay, how to start up a business, okay. So in the previous video we have started the topic that is prerequisite. So that is a continuation of this. Company type, okay, incorporate as a private limited company, a registered private partnership firm, or a limited liability partnership. So it should be incorporated as a private limited company, whether it is as a partnership firm or limited liability partnership, okay. That business should be, company should be incorporated as a partnership firm or limited liability partnership. Next, annual turnover. So what will be the annual turnover? Should have an annual turnover not exceeding rupees 100 crores for any of the financial year since its incorporation. So since its incorporation, it should not exceed the its turnover every year should not exceed rupees 100 crores. The turnover they should not have to exceed. Next, original entity. Entity should not have been formed by splitting up or reconstructing an already existing business. So the business organization should not be formed as splitting up, means it is already split, okay, divided. It should not be formed in the division form and reconstructed already existing business which has facing the losses and someone has started up that business. That is not considered. It should be an original entity, means it should be started with a new initial stage, okay. Next, innovative and scalable. Should work towards development or improvement of product, process or service, okay, and or have scalable business model with high potential for creation of wealth and employment. So the business should be done in such a way that it should generate a good wealth and also employment opportunities for the eligible persons, and also it should develop and improve the product or either a service or the process what they are doing, that should be developed and it should be improved. By that only they can generate a good wealth in the society and good reputation in the society. With that good reputation and good wealth, they can give the employment to the number of eligible youth. So next is the registration of the startup. So what the procedure is there for the registration of the startup, we will see in these. So incorporating the business. The first stage. The entrepreneur has to first incorporate their business as a private limited company or partnership firm or limited liability partnership. The business entrepreneur in the first initial step, they have to incorporate, okay, they have to incorporate the business as either a private limited company or partnership firm or limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership means that the partner's personal property is not considered, even if there is a debt or if there is a loss arise in the firm, even though their personal property will not touch, only the value of the shares will be taken into consideration. Registrating as a startup, and it should be registered as a startup, means it is an original entry. It is not going to take up the business which is already in the stage of reconstruction. It is not going to take up some other's business. It is starting its own business in the original initial stage, okay. The entrepreneurs have to register their startup as a startups. For these, they have to fulfill the form online log on the Startup India website and the Telangana state website. So there are some of the online websites. For that they have to log in. Okay, by logging that there are two websites. One is Startup India website and another is Telangana state website. Okay, they have to log into it. The application form to be filled with the details of the business. So whatever the business details are there, with that the application formalities have to be completed. Next, uploading the documents. The following documents are also have to be uploaded. Letter of commencement, recommendation or support. Okay, which government is supporting or which corporations or which type of schemes are supporting. Those things have to be they have to be uploaded. Certificate of incorporation of the company. Okay. Next, registration certificate in case of partnership form. So in case of partnership form, they have to submit one more thing, that is the registration certificate as a partnership form. So this is the registration of the startup. Now in this session only we are going to study about the funding of the startups. Okay. So in the funding procedure we have these types of funding for the startups. The first one is organic growth. Organic growth means the entrepreneur is not going to raise the fund from the outside, means from the external source. He will just raise the fund by selling the product what he is actually manufactured. That product only he is going to sell. With the sale, whatever the profit he will generate, with that only he will slowly grow. Next, startup loan. So this is the startup loan, that is a trading longer than 2 years is eligible. If the entrepreneur is trading their business that is more than 2 years, then they are eligible to get these type of a startup loan. Next, friends and families. So from the friend and family or from the colleagues, the entrepreneur can raise the fund, means these all are external sources of raising the fund. Okay. Next, personal savings. If the entrepreneur has a personal saving, from that personal savings also he can raise the fund. Suppliers credit. Normally credit period of 30 days. So supplier from whom they are taking the raw material or any other thing which is necessary for the manufacturing of a particular product, they can take it on the credit basis without paying the cash immediately, and they can repay the amount later. The time duration should not exceed the 30 days, means nearly 1 month. Customer credit. So certain times the customer will the entrepreneur will take the advance from the customer in order to manufacture certain types of goods. If the customer give the order of certain types of goods, in such case the entrepreneur will take the order amount in advance from the customer, and with that amount he will manufacture that product and sell it to the customer. Leasing, it is a rental agreement. Lease is a rental agreement. Every month they have to pay the rent. Okay, same how the rent is there, in the same way the lease is also a rental agreement. Term loans range from short to long term. So these are the term loans, short term loans, long term loans, these medium term loans. These loans are given in order to continue the business activities. Asset finance, which work as the same way as mortgage, means we have to keep certain asset in the mortgage, and from whom we are mortgaging, that person will give certain fund to us, and we can utilize that fund as a source for the startup. Factoring, it is a transaction in which the business sell its accounts receivables or invoices to a third party. So accounts receivable and also the invoices, okay, those things are going to be sold by the business to the third party. By selling those things, they can raise the fund for the startup. Crowdfunding means they are raising a very small units of fund from a large number of individuals. From the friends, from the family, from the colleagues, and from the relatives, they can raise huge amount of, they can raise the amount in small quantity, but they can rise from large amount of individuals. That is crowdfunding, means crowd means large number of individuals. Credit cards, we know credit cards. What is the credit card? ATM card is a debit card. Credit card means those cards with which we can raise the amount more than the limit. Okay. Business loans. So business loans are given by the banks by taking some of the things under the mortgage as a security. If the loan is not paid, in such case the bank will replace that asset into the cash. Okay, for that purpose they will take one asset as a mortgage, under the mortgage as a security. Those are business loans. So this is about the startup procedure. Okay. Yes, let us meet in the other session with the great personalities who are making the business as their habit. Okay, we will meet in the next session about with a new topic of the great personalities who are becoming the rich millionaires with their hard work and the effort. What are the stories behind their hard work? We will focus on that in the next session.